Ever walked into a game room that was so immersive you practically heard the clinks of billiard balls, the whir of arcade machines, and the laughter of a winning round? Imagine your own tailored game sanctuary, where sleek consoles meet plush seating, vibrant lighting sets the mood, and every surface speaks gaming. Today we're diving into 10 expert game room interior design ideas, from multi-level seating and acoustics to themed walls, ambient lighting, and smart tech integration. Whether you're building in a basement, spare room, or attic, these tips will help you create the ultimate play and relax zone. Ready to level up your space?
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
Why focus on comfortable and flexible seating arrangements? Great seating brings physical comfort and stylistic flow. Include a modular sectional with built-in cup holders for multiplayer console nights. Add oversized bean bags for casual PC or handheld gaming. Install swivel armchairs near VR or PC setups and mobile stools around card tables. Incorporate multi-level built-in bench seating for board games or group hangouts to add dimension and clear sight lines. Layer the area with side tables and integrated tech pockets for controllers or headsets. Comfort keeps players in action longer, and good layout helps them move between stations without breaking the mood. Let me know your go-to game night seating. What role does acoustic treatment play in game rooms? Sound quality matters, whether it's an explosion in a shooter or a chat session during multiplayer. Install fabric-wrapped acoustic wall panels behind TVs and speakers. Use thick area rugs and cushioned upholstery to dampen echo. Add acoustic ceiling clouds or angled foam panels for high ceiling rooms. Use bookcases or display cabinets to break up sound waves. Curtains over windows reduce reflections. Effective acoustics enhance sound system performance, reduce noise bleed, and make the difference between flat audio and theater-like immersion. How do themed walls set the stage for immersive play? A themed wall instantly shapes the vibe of your game room. Choose mural wallpaper depicting virtual landscapes, racing tracks, or arcade nostalgia. Alternatively, install back-painted glass panels with custom game art or neon-lit gaming quotes. Pair the feature wall with shelves showcasing controllers, game memorabilia, and collectibles under LED accent lights. To add depth, use board-mounted neon outlines or acrylic sound panels printed with silhouette scenes from your favorite titles. Themed walls make the space feel purposeful and personalized, immersing players in your chosen universe from the moment they walk in. Share if you'd pick a mural or neon art wall. How do zones enhance multiple gaming formats? Zoning lets you maximize your room's potential. Create a console zone with TV and comfy sofa seating. Dedicate a PC corner with adjustable ergonomic chairs, desks, and LED backlighting. Include a tabletop section for board and card games with ledge lighting and integrated power outlets. Add a casual lounge, beanbags, side tables, snack bar for mobile play or social breaks. Clearly define each zone with rugs, lighting variations, area-by-area wall treatments, or furniture placement. Zoning helps players move from activity to activity without wandering aimlessly, and keeps groups colliding smoothly. Tell me which gaming zone you want most. How do themed walls set the stage for immersive play? A themed wall instantly shapes the vibe of your game room. Choose mural wallpaper depicting virtual landscapes, racing tracks, or arcade nostalgia. Alternatively, install back-painted glass panels with custom game art or neon-lit gaming quotes. Pair the feature wall with shelves showcasing controllers, game memorabilia, and collectibles under LED accent lights. To add depth, use board-mounted neon outlines or acrylic sound panels printed with silhouette scenes from your favorite titles. Themed walls make the space feel purposeful and personalized, immersing players in your chosen universe from the moment they walk in. Share if you'd pick a mural or neon art wall. Combining themed walls, layered lighting, zoned layouts, ergonomic seating, plush flooring, smart storage, acoustic treatment, snack stations, curated displays, and intentional finishes will help you build a game room that's an immersive playground, stylish enough to impress and functional enough to game marathon. Start with one zone or idea, then grow into the full experience. This space isn't just where you play, it's where memories and high scores come to life.